A second book of Samuel, chapter 7. Nu, eens the king was settled into his house, and the meester had given him peace, for all his face round about. He said to a prophet, Nathan, I'm biding here in a house bigot to cedar, and Almichty's kisty is I in a tent. And Nathan said to the king, Go on and do fit suits you best, 'cause the meester is wi' you. At night, a word of a meester come to Nathan, saying, Gang and tell my servant David, this is fit the meester says. Are ye the een to beg me a house to bide in? I hinna bidden in a house, for a time I brought the Israelites out of Egypt to this very day, but have been on a call, with Nathan but a tent for a dwelling. Forever agade with the Israelites, did I spear at any of them? Did I spear at any of the clan chiefs, for I appointed to shepherd to my folk, that why they hidden the bigot me a house out of a cedar? Say nu, ye maun say to my servant David, this is fit the meester of hosts says, I took ye fair firm tune, and fair shepherding, to roll over my folk, Israel. I was wi' ye forever ye was, and have cutted off all your fays afore ye. I'll mock ye as kinspeckle, as a maist powerful chieftains i' the world. Fitzmere, I'll provide a place for my folk, Israel, and set them down there sae as they may hae a place o' their ain. And nae, I be moving about. Cursed Giles winna torment them nae mair like they did all. Why they've deen ever since I appointed clan chiefs o'er my folk, Israel. And I'll gie ye peace for all your fays. I'm telling you, I'll set you up wi' a clan o' your ain. And when a hinner comes, you'll sleep wi' your fathers. I'll raise up een o' your bairns to follow after ye, and gie strength to his kingdom. He's the een wha will beg a house to honor my name, and I'll set up his royal house forever. I'll be his father, and he'll be my loon. Gin he gangs ugly, I'll gie him a guid licking, just as ony father would, and winna haud off a spaniel. But I winna forsake him, like I did wi' Saul, for I did awa wi, to mock why for you. Your family will rule for aye, your throne will last for all time. Nathan telleth all his sawa, and all at Almichty had revealed to him. Syne, King David gaed in afore a meester, and spirt at him. Fa would I be, Master Almichty, and fits my family, ye've brought me to this, and as ye not wasna enough, ye said my family will rule for aye. Master, ye let a man see sic things? Fit mair can I say. Ye ken me, your servant David, weel. Ye've spoken out fit ye wint it, in your heart, and have latten your servant David ken this great thing ye've done. Master Almichty, fu great ye are, there's none like ye. We ken befit we've heard, we were ain lugs, there's nae Almichty but you. There's nae other country i' the world like Israel. The ae folk at Almichty gaed out to save as his ain. Wonderful things ye've done for them has made ye weel kent ower a hale world. Ye drive out all other clans, on michty ains, to mock why for your ain folk, when ye fished them out o' Egypt. New you've made Israel your ain folk, for I, on you, O Meester, are there Almichty. On you, Meester Almichty, die fit ye said about me and my family, and set up your house for all time. Say that your name will be great, for I, folk will say, and Meester of hosts is the Almichty o Israel, and let David's family rule forever. And Meester Almichty o hosts, Almichty o Israel, you've telt your servant, you'll big up his house. Say I've been for it enough to pit up his prayer till ya. Say nu, Meester Almichty, 'cause Almichty ye are, and ye I de fit ye say. You've made this wonderful promise to your servant. Say mit ye let your blessing fall on your servant, on them that come after him for all time. 'Cause Meester Almichty, you've given your word. Wi' your blessing, your servant's house will be blessed for all time.